Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the display is active and no full-screen apps block settings. Once ready, open Settings. On Windows, press Windows key +I. On Mac OS, open About This Mac. Then go straight to System, Display. If you prefer a direct route, right-click the desktop and choose Display Settings. This gets you to the control panel where resolution options live. Make sure cables are secure and the monitor is powered. That avoids false readings before you change anything. Now you locate the resolution control. On Windows, look for the resolution drop-down under Scale and Layout. On Mac OS, open Displays and check Scaled. Choose the recommended or native resolution such as 1920 x 1080 for many screens because native preserves sharpness. Once selected, click Apply and watch the screen. Many systems give a confirmation timer. If the image looks correct, confirm. If not, the system will revert. This step balances clarity, performance. You finish by checking text scaling and arrangement if you use multiple displays. Make sure each monitor is set to its native resolution for best results. If the resolution you expect is missing, update your graphics drivers or reinstall them, because driver issues often hide options. If problems persist, swap the video cable or test another monitor to rule out hardware. Finally, reboot after changes to ensure settings persist. This sequence resolves most mismatches and keeps the display sharp and stable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.